Thank you. Hi everyone. This is Dinesh Sain, co-founder of Drona Aviation. I am also an aerospace engineer, graduate in 2014 from IIT Bombay. So what is about drones in education? How drones can be used in education? Next slide, please. So how we can use the drones in education, how people are already using and how we can use in future actually. So there are different ways in which the drones can be used in education. And majorly we'll be talking about the school education. In the higher education, we can also use that. But currently I'm talking about the school education. The next. The drones can be used to fun way to learn obviously the complex concepts of aeronautics. Being a aerospace student, I faced really difficult situation to learn about the lift, about the drag, and how lift versus drag. So imagine if we teach students about the lift versus drag by just flying a drone, or how the lift is generated using the drones, using the propellers, and what is the roll, what is the yaw, what is the pitch, and those kind of concept can be clear, can be uh, taught to the students very easily using the drones. And as drones are really fascinating, those things will be like stay in their mind. Those won't be like they learned one day and another day they are not able to like think about like what they are learning. Then next slide, please. It could be also not just the aeronautical concepts, but it can be used to learn about the different concepts of the physics and maths. Now, this is actually a different and an interesting part where we have actually done something to learn about the physics concept like rotation, like the angular momentum, like the compass, like the direction, the northeast, west, south, or the how degrees in those northwest, south. Then you can teach about the pressure, you can teach about the acceleration, and then you get in the maths, you can teach about the different angles, shapes, even the logics, and obviously the speed and the gravity. You can teach all those concepts using drones, and people are actually using drones to teach those concepts, and that's the really interesting and the fun way to learn about science. Next, please. And obviously the third one, which is actually kind of trending these days, is the programming. So there are many jobs coming in the programming, and many companies are coming to teach students at a very early stage the programming. There drones can be an interesting way to learn about the programming. People have already built different kind of programming platform to learn this programming. So the drones can be controlled using those programs, and drones can be given us some kind of task to do using the programs which they have written. So it could be like block-based programming, or like a C++ kind of programming. Next. So what else can be done is like different integration of the different STEM learning techniques. Like people are already teaching about the robotics, about the 3D printing, and those can be integrated into the drone technologies. Like I will, if there are already there is 3D printing classes going on in the school, you can just integrate. You can ask them to design your own frame or design your own some kind of accessory which you can integrate on the drone. So it will like enhance the teaching techniques for the educator, and the things will be learned by the students as well. So what we are doing, we at Drona Aviation have for drones in education is a Pluto drone platform. So Pluto drone platform is just doesn't contain just a drone. Next slide. So it has a modular hardware where we have different kind of drones and different kind of add-ons and accessories which can be used to learn about the drones and to do experiments on the drone. Then there are software. So for the different kind of audience, we have different kind of so like block-based programming. We have Pluto blocks. Then we have Cygnus to for the like hardcore programmers, so they can program the our drones using Cygnus as well. Then we have huge content to learn and teach about the drones. Like we try to collaborate with different educators here in India and outside India who want to use drone platform to teach about the drones and different teach about the different concepts of science. So that's what we are doing to enhance this feature of the drones, where this field of the drones, where drones can be used to use as a tool to teach about the drone technology and different concepts of the science. Next. So actually, Pluto is a tool to learn complex concepts of the aeronautics, different physics and maths concept, and to learn an interesting way to do programming. So we try to even collaborate with different, we are open to collaborate with people who are working on drone education, and we try to do some experiments here and there and try to come up with different add-ons. So if you are also looking for such collaboration and want to, you have any idea like how drones can be used in education, we are open to do some experiments with you, like come up with a product, or you can say come up with a project, come up with a course for the students. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing, Dinesh. And Dinesh, would you have some videos to share with us as of now? How your drones work?
Just a second.
Dinesh?
Do you want me to share the link with you?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
होम स्वीट होम ए स्क्वायर का घर देखना चाहोगे?
Dinesh, are you there online?
Yes, I am. I've just shared a link with you. You can play that.
Great. Okay. So thank you very much. Okay. Dinesh, there is a question for you. Are the programs modular, and how long is each module?
Yeah, so we have built like a 24 lesson plan, or so each module is like 40 minutes, and you can run. So those are according to our knowledge, and you can actually edit those modules as well. So we have done a like 24 lesson plan which you can use in your class to teach the students for different concepts of drones.
And Dinesh, could you share the pricing of your drones? Like, how does it compare to Tello drones, and how is it different from Tello drones and Tello EDU drones?
Okay, so there is one drone which is called Pluto 1.2. It doesn't have a camera. It doesn't come up with a camera, but you can actually add a camera out of the shelf. But it is so in Tello you majorly program about the path of the drone, right? They go forward, go right, go left, or those kind of programming. But in Pluto drones, you can actually do much more than that. You can do different kind of different kind of programming where you want to just add some hardware over it. You want to do some tricks on the drones, not just the flying tricks, but different of like on the LED. You can teach about the different directions using our drone. So that and obviously the hardware can be added on the drone. So one product is 7,000 MRP, 7,000 rupees. And then another is Pluto X, which is a camera and a hardware modularity, which is there in 13,000 rupees. And there are different add-ons. Add-ons as in because these are hardware modular, so you can actually build different. You can add different hardware on it, like the X ranging is there, where 2 laser sensors are there, and you can play table tennis using it.
Can you tell us about the video as well afterwards? So this was a video, and I have worked with Drona drones before. So these are like completely crash resistant drones, and they're completely suited to students and from any age group. You can fly them, you can crash them, you can learn, and you can modulate, and you can do a lot of great things. So thank you so much, Dinesh, for being a part of this conference. I really love your drones, and I hope that you're able to share your platform with everyone around the world.
Yeah, thank you, Ruchi.